Hello everyone! Ever wonder how the internet works? Before we dive into how the internet works, let's take a quick look at where it all began. The internet started in the 1960s as a way for scientists to share information. In the 1980s, email became popular and the internet started to grow. How does your message or video get from one side of the world to the other? Let's break it down. The internet is like a giant web that connects computers all over the world. It lets us send messages, watch videos, and share cat pictures. When you send something online, like a message, it gets chopped into tiny pieces called data packets. Each packet is like a piece of a puzzle. They travel separately and get put back together at the end. Routers are like traffic cops. They direct the packets to the right place. Sometimes packets take different paths, but they all end up in the same place. The server is like a post office. It collects the packets and puts them back together. But how do routers know where to send the packets? Every device has an IP address. It's like your home address, but for the internet. Routers use these addresses to make sure your data gets to the right place. But wait, how does Google.com turn into an IP address? That's where DNS comes in. DNS is like a phone book for the internet. It turns website names into IP addresses. So, when you send a message, it gets chopped into packets, routed through the internet, and put back together at the end. Easy, right? Sometimes packets travel through underwater cables to reach other continents. Finally, the packet reaches its destination, a server. Ever heard of bandwidth? It's like the size of a pipe that data flows through. If the pipe is too small, data moves slowly. That's low bandwidth. If the pipe is big, data moves quickly. That's high bandwidth. That's why high bandwidth is great for streaming videos and games. Now, let's talk about Wi-Fi. How does it connect you to the internet? Wi-Fi uses invisible radio waves to send data between your devices and the router. The router then sends your data through cables to the internet. But if you're too far from the router, the signal gets weak. Here are some fun facts about the internet.
Yay!
Did you know it only takes 8 seconds for a message to travel around the world? Over 4.5 billion people use the internet every day.
Yay!
So that's how the internet works. It's like a giant team of routers, servers, and data packets working together to connect us all.
Yay!
Every year, the internet handles over 1 zettabyte of data. That's a 1 with 21 zeros.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.